डेली यूज़ इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस डे 3। इधर देखो, लुक हियर, लुक हियर। उधर देखो, लुक देयर, लुक देयर। फिर आना, कम अगेन, कम अगेन। ध्यान रखना, टेक केयर, टेक केयर। सामने देखो, लुक अहेड, लुक अहेड। सावधान रहें, बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल। जाने भी दो, लेट इट बी, लेट इट बी। इसे कम करो, reduce it, reduce it। वहाँ कौन है, who is there, who is there। मेरा सिर मत खाओ, don't nag me, don't nag me। इसे फिर पढ़ो, read it again, read it again। मुझे पता नहीं, I have no idea, I have no idea। अंदर इंतज़ार करो, wait inside, wait inside। बाहर इंतज़ार करो, wait outside, wait outside। भगवान की कृपा से, by God grace, by God grace। मुझे देखने दो, let me see, let me see। वह खेल रहा है, he is playing, he is playing। मैं जल्दी में हूँ, I am in a hurry, I am in a hurry। कोशिश करते रहो, keep trying, keep trying। यहाँ से चले जाओ, go from here, go from here। तुम मेरी उम्र के हो, you are my age, you are my age। क्या यह आपका है, is it yours, is it yours। मैंने फिर कोशिश की, I tried again, I tried again। भरोसा रखो, rest assured, rest assured। आप चाहो, as you wish, as you wish। तुम्हें ठीक लगे, as you like, as you like। तरफ हूँ, I am on your side, I am on your side। हाँ, who are all there, who are all there। Don't threaten me, don't threaten me। Take it easy, take it easy। Don't panic, don't panic। वह तुतलाता है, he babbles, he babbles। कोई परेशानी है, any problem, any problem। तुम घमंडी हो, you are egoistic, you are egoistic। कुल्ला कर लो, rinse your mouth, rinse your mouth। तुमने क्या किया, what did you do, What did you do? उल्टे जवाब मत दो. Don't talk back. Don't talk back. चाय गर्म कर दो. Heat up the tea. Heat up the tea. तुम लंगड़ा क्यों रहे हो? Why are you limping? Why are you limping? ये हुई ना बात. That's the spirit. That's the spirit. जल्दबाजी मत करो. Don't be hasty. Don't be hasty. ये मेरी गलती नहीं है. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. वह घर पर हो सकता है. He could be at home. He could be at home. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Anything could happen. Anything could happen. उसने मुझे धोखा दिया. He cheated me. He cheated me. शुरुआत तुमने की थी. You had started. You had started. मैं उसे नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare him. I will not spare him. तुम कब उठते हो? When do you get up? When do you get up? यह सब तुम्हारी करतूत है. It is all you're doing. It is all you're doing. तुम कितना कमाते हो? How much do you earn? How much do you earn? इसकी कितनी कीमत है? How much does this cost? How much does this cost? उसके जिम्मेदार तुम हो. You are responsible for that. You are responsible for that. वह मनहूस है. He is jinx. He is jinx. कहीं नजर ना लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. ऐसा कभी सोचना भी मत. Don't even think so. Don't even think so. अपनी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद मत करो. Don't spoil your life. Don't spoil your life. वह डरा हुआ है. He is frightened. He is frightened. क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? How does it matter? How does it matter? बिजली चली गई. The power has gone off. The power has gone off. मुझे हल्के में मत लेना. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. तुम्हें जो करना है करो. Do whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do. इसे फिर से चेक करो. Check it again. Check it again. मैंने बार बार कोशिश की. I tried again and again. I tried again and again. उसे क्या पसंद है? What does he like? What does he like? मुझे फिर से दिखाओ. Show me again. Show me again. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? तुम्हारा क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मेरा भाई है. He is my friend. He is my friend. वह मेरे पापा है. He is my father. He is my father. क्या तुम मुझे पसंद करते हो? Do you like me? Do you like me? मैंने खाया है. I have eaten. I have eaten. मैं खा चुका हूँ. I have eaten. I have eaten. उसने नहीं खाया. He didn't eat. He didn't eat. मैं अपने घर में हूँ. I am in house. I am in house. झूठ बोलना पाप है. Telling a lie is a sin. Telling a lie is a sin. सूर्य अस्त नहीं हुआ है. The sun has not set. The sun has not set. अंग्रेजी सीखना आसान है. कोई बात नहीं है. No problem. No problem. मैं डरा हुआ था. I was scared. I was scared. कल मिलेंगे. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. तुम कैसे जाओगे? How will you go? How will you go? जरा मैं तैयार हो लूँ. Let me get ready. Let me get ready. मैं दिल्ली गया था. I went to Delhi. I went to Delhi. तुम कहाँ गए थे? Where did you go? Where did you go? मैं कोचिंग गया था. I went to coaching. I went to coaching. क्या तुम उसे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize him? Do you recognize him? वह तुम्हें बेवकूफ़ बना रहा है. He is making you fool. He is making you fool. वह पढ़ने गया है. He has gone to read. He has gone to read. वे लोग कहाँ गए हैं? Where have they gone? Where have they gone? आपने क्या किया? What have you done? What have you done? तुम क्या पढ़ रहे हो? What are you reading? What are you reading? तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Why have you done so? Why have you done so? यह तुम्हारा नहीं है. This is not yours. This is not yours. तुम मेरे करीबी दोस्त हो. You are my closed friend. You are my closed friend. मोबाइल मेज पर रखा है. Mobile is kept on the table. Mobile is kept on the table. वहाँ कितने लोग थे? How many people were there? How many people were there? मैं सिर्फ तुम्हारे लिए ज़िंदा हूँ. I am alive only for you. I am alive only for you. तुम्हारे पास कितना पैसा है? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? क्या तुम्हारे पास एक कलम है? Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाओ. Bring a glass of water for me. Bring a glass of water for me.